thinking about getting a cat.
No, cats. Cats suck.
Cats suck? Why do cats suck?
They don't do tricks. Like this. They don't, yeah. They don't sit.
That's nice, but cats chase mice.
Ah!
Did you know that? Did you know that cats chase mice?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, are there any other reasons you don't like cats?
Good with kids. Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, you're good with kids, but cats poop in a litter box.
So?
I have to take you outside.
Yeah.
You poop in a litter box? Can you? Can you poop in a litter box?
No.
And cats are soft. They're so soft. Cats are very soft. They're just so soft.
Yeah. They won't sit. They won't lay down.
I'm not seeing your point.
Always licking.
Always licking? You're always licking.
Nope.
Talking to you. I'm not done. So if I promise to let you play with the cat, we can get a cat, right?